Hello and welcome to a day in 15 minutes UPSC Prelims Daily Current Affairs by Neo IAS. Today is 23rd November 2019 and the topics for the day are Avian Botulism, National Industrial Corridor Development and Implementation Trust, Cartosat 3 Mission, Himayat Mission, Intensified Mission Indradhanush 2.0, India-Uzbekistan Security Agreement, Global Bio India, Destination Northeast Festival. Now coming to the first topic of the day, which is avian botulism. Now this is in news because avian botulism has actually killed over 18,000 birds at Sambar Lake. This has been said by the government. Okay. Now coming to what is avian botulism. Avian botulism is actually a neuromuscular illness that is caused by a toxin which is produced by a bacterial stain. Now botulinum is a natural toxin produced by the bacteria known as Clostridium botulinum. The bacteria basically produces the toxin when it starts to reproduce, and the illness basically caused by this toxin affects the nervous system of the brains, which leads to flaccid paralysis in their legs and wings and the neck of the bird. Now the bacterium is commonly found in soil, river and seawater. And another thing is that there are 8 types of these strains. There are 8 different types of them, which are A, B, C1, C2, D, E, F and finally G. Okay, so these are the different types of botulin toxins and they are different, they are distinguishable when they are diagnosed. However, all types of toxin attack the neurons which lead to muscle paralysis, and botulinum affects both humans as well as animals, but the type of toxin which affects these two, that is humans and birds, are different. It is botulin C which affects the birds and A, B and E which affects the humans. Now the toxins have been recognized as a major cause of mortality in wild birds since the 1990s. Coming to the Sambar Lake is actually located in Rajasthan and it is the largest inland saline water body and has been designated as the wetland of international importance, attracting thousands of migratory birds during winter. Coming to the next topic, which is National Industrial Corridor Development and Implementation Trust. Now there is a news because the government of India has actually approved the development of following 5 industrial corridor projects to be implemented through the National Industrial Corridor Development and Implementation Trust. Now coming and talking about the 5 different corridor projects, the first one you will see here is that it is the Delhi-Mumbai Industrial Corridor, which is covering the states of Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh. Then comes the Amritsar-Kolkata Industrial Corridor, which goes all across, which is Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Bihar, Jharkhand and West Bengal. Finally, we come to the Chennai-Bangalore Industrial Corridor, which covers the states of Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Kerala. Then coming to the East Coast Economic Corridor with Vizag-Chennai Industrial Corridor, okay, as the phase 1. And it will cover the areas of West Bengal, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. And finally, the 5th project, which is Bengaluru-Mumbai Industrial Corridor, which is connecting the states of Karnataka and Maharashtra. Now coming and talking about this trust will be the apex body to oversee the integrated development of all industrial corridors across the country, and it will be implemented in all the 5 proposed industrial corridors, which together actually consist of 15 states. Okay. Now coming to the next topic, which is Cartosat 3 mission. Now this is a news because the ISRO has actually decided to postpone the launch of Cartosat to November 27th. Now understand the India's Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle PSLV C-47 was supposed to launch this Cartosat 3 in its mission, and it is supposed to launch Cartosat 3 along with 13 different commercial nano satellites into the sun synchronous orbit. Now the PSLV C-47 is the 21st flight of PSLV in the XL configuration, and XL configuration actually means it is going to have 6 strap-on boosters. Coming and talking about the Cartosat 3 mission, the Cartosat 3 is actually an Earth imaging and mapping satellite developed by ISRO. Now the Cartosat 3 is a 3rd generation agile advanced satellite which has high resolution imaging capacity. Now the satellite would be placed in an orbit of 509 kilometers, and the features of the satellites are, it is panchromatic, that is it captures all visible colors of light. Then it is hyperspectral, which means it captures light from electromagnetic spectrum, and it is multispectral. That is, it captures light from specific ranges of the electromagnetic spectrum. Now, for more information regarding the PSLV, you can, go to the neoiascap.com. Okay, it will be given more over there. Now, coming to the next topic, which is Himayat mission. Now, this is a news because 42 projects under Himayat mission has been sanctioned in the state of Jammu and Kashmir. Now, the Himayat mission is actually an initiative of the Union Ministry of Rural Development. Now, the Himayat mission is actually implemented by the Jammu and Kashmir Entrepreneurship Development Institute with Entrepreneurship Development Institute of India at Ahmedabad as the coordinating and monitoring agency. Now, the project aims to generate sustainable livelihood opportunities through self-employment for the youth of Jammu and Kashmir by cross-cutting approaches of hostile entrepreneurship development programs. Okay. Now, the candidates, for anybody to be qualified for this, a candidate should have an educational qualification of 8th class or above within the age group of 18 to 35 years and must be a permanent resident of the state of Jammu and Kashmir. Now, one thing you have to keep in mind here is that Himayat is under the implementation in the state of Jammu and Kashmir since 2011, and the program has been recommended by Dr. C. Rangarajan Committee report of 2011. Coming to the next topic, which is Intensified Mission Indradhanush 2.0. Now, there is a news because the Union Minister of Health and Family Welfare has reviewed the preparedness within states for the rollout of the Intensified Mission Indradhanush 2.0 in states from 2nd December 2019. Coming and talking about Mission Indradhanush, basically Mission Indradhanush targets children less than 2 years of age and pregnant women for immunization. It provides vaccination against 12 vaccine preventable diseases, that is diphtheria, whooping cough, tetanus, polio, tuberculosis, etc. All the list has been given in the slide as you can see it here. Now, coming and talking about the Intensified Mission Indradhanush, it is aimed to achieve 90% full immunization coverage with focus towards district and urban areas with persistently low levels. Now, the Intensified Mission Indradhanush was built on Mission Indradhanush using additional strategies to reach populations at high risk by involving sectors other than health. Okay, it was an effort to shift the routine immunization into a Jan Andolan or the people's movement. Now, coming and talking about Intensified Mission Indradhanush 2.0, now the government is poised to launch the Intensified Mission Indradhanush 2.0 between December 2019 to March 2020, and the program will be delivered in 272 districts of 27 states and 652 blocks of Uttar Pradesh and Bihar, among the other hard to reach and tribal populations. Now, for this, there are several ministries, okay, which also includes Ministry of Women and Child Development, Panchayati Raj, and Ministry of Urban Development, etc. More of them will come, which will come together to support the government in ensuring the benefit of vaccine that is to reach to the last mile. Now, the Intensified Mission Indradhanush 2.0 will target the districts which have immunization coverage of 70% or below. Coming to the next topic, which is India-Uzbekistan Security Agreement. The agreement, will further strengthen cooperation between India and Uzbekistan in diverse fields, including counterterrorism, organized crime, and human trafficking. Coming to the next topic, which is Global Bio India. Now, the Global Bio India is one of the largest biotechnology stakeholders conglomerate being held in India for the first time. All right. And coming to the last topic of the day, which is Destination Northeast Festival. Now, the Destination Northeast Festival will actually be held in Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh. Now, all the 8 states will be present at the event along with their handicrafts, handloom, and organic products. So, that's all for today. Now, for additional information and additional topics for the day, you can please visit our current affairs webpage, which is www.neoiascap.com. If you have any doubts or queries, you can also write down in the comment section below. Thank you and good night.
Please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Follow our website neoiascap.com for detailed content and monthly prelims digest. Also join our current affairs exclusive test series through the website. And finally, participate in the daily current affairs prelims infotainment quiz at our Telegram channel Neo IAS Prelims at 9:30 p.m. every day. Thank you.